Absolutely. And I go extra hard in the paint too. I play no games. Point guard, forward. I'm on your team, we winning. What is a moo-moo? You must be thinking about a momo. You must be thinking about a momo. A momo is a idiot. It's like a dumbass. So if you want to know what a momo is a dumbass, an idiot, a non-intelligent individual. So basically, everybody who don't watch my channel is a momo. And if you don't hit that subscribe and that like button, well then you a double momo. Is this the address? I'll never know because they ain't got no lights on. Well, I just all my good thinking that it was gonna be a tip on this order went out the window when I seen they had no porch light. Oh hell no, they got this big ass piece of steel on their damn drive through. Let me see. He came outside, so let's see. Is this, yeah. Don't come up to my car, man. Hold on. I don't do all that. Picture. This must be the right house. Because they got no lights on. It must be. Because I can definitely not see that again. Yeah, like the whole. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and pull off. Alrighty. Smooth and easy. Smooth and easy. We out there. Get down to the end of this tree so I can confirm this order. He said his porch light is broken. So you know what? If the porch light is broken, then you know when you forgot to replace the light bulb, you know what? It is what it is. Hold on, where am I at? Did I go down the right street? Yeah, I did. There we go. I just need to get down to the end. Yeah, there we go. What the hell is that? Did y'all see that? Was that an owl? The fuck was that? A big ass. That's crazy. Y'all see that owl? That's an owl. That motherfucker staring right at me too. That's crazy. I'm scared as hell. That's straight an owl right there on the stop sign. Let me see if I can zoom in. Y'all see him? Oh shit! That motherfucker. Oh shit! That motherfucker scared the shit out of me, cuz. Hey, y'all seen that shit? That motherfucker tried to get me, cut. Oh shit! God damn, I hopped in this car fast in the motherfucker. Hey, that motherfucker straight just tried to kill me, bruh. What the hell? I'm about to go home. Oh, hell no, boy. That owl just tried to get me. And y'all let his ass get me, too. Y'all just gonna let him get me. Oh, my God. That was so scary, bruh. All right, let's confirm this order. Did that customer tip? $2 tipper. We got a $2 tipper. Oh my God, boy, the shit you see at night, boy, I'm scared of the motherfucker. Where? How do I go? How do I get out of here? Let me know. Where do I go? I'm good. I'm out. That was crazy, boy. That owl was hella big. God damn, what? That's crazy.